The 2015 Jeep Patriot. The Jeep Patriot is unmistakably a Jeep. It looks like a cross between a Jeep Liberty and Jeep Compass, or maybe a 3/4 scale version of the big Jeep Commander. The Patriot has plenty of room inside for any size family. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, fog lights, electronic stability control, CD player, heated front seats, rear window defroster, power windows, remote keyless entry, tachometer, brake assist, panic alarm, UCONNECT hands-free group, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.